Hi, my name is Kim Kelly and I'm the author of Accessorizer. This is another installment in the Accessorizer Made Simple video series covering constants for properties and also generating the switch case statements for enums. And you can also generate the bit mask for enums on 0 and bit mask for enums on 1. I'm going to demonstrate all four of those services and actions right now. I'm going to minimize Accessorizer to the dock. I'm going to select my properties and bring those guys in. Just move this down for now. You can see that the constants for properties is keyboard 7, and you get your code. You can toggle through to set your class name here. Now that can be a relative pain, so the smart thing to do when you're generating these constant properties is try to include your class. And let me bring those guys in this time with the class, bring up constant properties, hit number 7, and now you can see I've got my class name. There are some other formatting options available to you under coding style, formatting properties, and here watch this output panel as I toggle these settings. You can kind of do as you wish here, and in fact, because everything is live updated here and also the results are put on the pasteboard, you can simply go back to your Xcode file, say, I'm going to change those, and I'm just going to paste over, and you get the changes made. Okay, now let's take a look at the case for enums. One note here is that in version 2.9.7 and earlier, if you're using the action panel service as your single point of entry invocation, you can only select your enums within the bracket like this. If you use the case for enums separate service or bitmask for enums separate services, you can select your full block. As of 2.9.8, which I'm releasing today to accelerate and submitting to Mac App Store, you can select your full block like so. But it's probably easiest just to double click your braces to grab your code like this. Now I'm going to bring these guys into Accessorizer with my same invocation. With my cursor, I'm just going to paste the results in here. Let's see, case for enums is L, so I get case for enums as L. If I want to try bitmask on 0 or bitmask on N, on 1 is N. So you get those options as well. Okay, you have to put those obviously in the appropriate places in your code, but that's pretty simple. And hope these features are useful. Thanks.